Morning guys, Connor at Just Add Water, and with me today I have Eli. He's currently working on bringing some material back, but we are getting ready to put in a backyard waterfall kit here in Ankeny, Iowa. So to do so, we have ourselves a pre-formed basin, an aqua basin 45. It'll hold about 100 gallons of water for us, and then we are going to be putting in about 3 to 5 foot of stream with 2 sets of waterfalls on it. We got a little bit of sod removal around the area to do a little bit of bed work into it, so they can put some plants around it. Other than that, that's what we're working on today. So we're going to get stuff brought back here. We're going to get heights shot, start digging our basin down. Want to get going. Hopefully by the end of the day, we have a stream up and running. Might be 2 days, but I think we can get this done in the one. So let's get after it. Anywho guys, so we got our hole pretty much finished up and dug already. Eli's got almost all the rocks brought back here, so we are swimming right along. I just want to take a little bit of time to let you know why we're actually doing this feature. So the homeowner just moved here to Ankeny about a month or so ago. They came from the Cedar Rapids area, and in their backyard at the Cedar Rapids area, they had a waterfall. And you know, one thing you know, if you already have a water feature, if you have one of the most important parts about moving into your next place is making sure you get prepped and ready for your new waterfall, because once you have that sound of water, it's extremely hard to live without. So been here about a month or so, like we were saying, and it's time to get their waterfalls back. So we're excited to be brought in and get this put in for them so they can go back to living, you know, aquascape waterfall lifestyle. Bulkhead fitting time. All right, when installing your bulkhead, blah, blah. All right, when installing your bulkhead, rubber band on the side with the water, plastic band on the other side. Squishy, wet, hard dirt. Nice little bead. That's not necessary. I just like playing with sticky stuff. Lost my silicone back in here. Get our little adapter out. This little adapter is going to go on the inside here. This is going to so we can hook our pump directly into there, have it sit nice on the bottom, and we're going with it. So. Alright, that's hooked up there. Now we're going to go around and get everything backfilled around here, and this should be locked in. Plumbing's pretty much started, so we can dig our trench out and run our plumbing line when need be, but basin's almost set. We're going to get our liner positioned, build our first waterfall, and man, we're on our way to a good day. Definitely probably going to want to go get some soil though, so. finished up in Ankeny. We're getting cleaned up, we're getting packed up, we're gonna give a final walkthrough, let the homeowner know how to take care of this thing behind me, and we'll check back in with you guys at the studio. Alrighty guys, we're all finished up with this little one-day pondless here in Ankeny, and that was a fun one to put in. It's always fun being able to come into a blank slate and then leave with the feature all finished up and completed. I think this one turned out pretty sweet. The homeowner is really excited to get the sound of moving water back into their backyard in this new property that she's got. She really enjoys the way everything looks when you look from her window. She's got a great waterfall pointing at her bedroom, and she's got a great one that she can see from her living room and on the deck. Let us know what you guys think about this one. If you like what you saw in this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below on what you really enjoyed with everything. And if you want to check out more stuff that we do, feel free to subscribe to our page and click that bell icon so you get updated every time we post. Live videos or full-length videos every Wednesday, and shorts uploaded for your viewing pleasure. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Catch you later.